Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Jupiter in Leo. And people with Jupiter in Leo like to teach what they know, they like to get recognized for what they know, and like to be honored for the knowledge that they have. They also want to leave a legacy, and they like to get attention, and they like to be appreciated for what they teach. And this placement can make a person do really well having their own business. They also like to be very individualistic and can also be very egoic. And they like to also be above and higher than everyone else. They don't do well playing on the same level. They like to be recognized, and they don't do well having people really just above and better than them, because they really want to be the best. They want to be the king, so to speak, or the queen. They don't do well with criticism, and they really like being the best, as I mentioned. They want to do things their way, and they also do really well in careers related to entertainment and education. And again, just really their own business is a really great way for them to be successful, because they can do things more the way they want to do them, and they can, reach the level that satisfies them, and they also get more recognition when they are the owner of their own business. And that's my interpretation of Jupiter in Leo.